Your vehicle has a traditional glove box compartment. To open it, pull this handle and lower the lid. When you want to lock or unlock the glove box, use your mechanical key. For the safety of your glove box contents, the intelligent key cannot be used to unlock the glove box. Your console storage box is located between the front seats. To open the console box, press down on the latch. If so equipped, there is also a console box located between the second row seats. To remove the box, first remove this panel. Then, pull up on this lever and lift the console box to remove. There are cup holders and bottle holders located conveniently in the center console and the rear seat armrest. The sunglasses holder is opened by a push and release motion. INFINITI strategically placed hooks throughout the cargo area. Use these hooks to secure all cargo with ropes or straps. To access the rear cargo storage compartment, pull up on this strap to lift the luggage board. There are also a variety of storage bins, trays, and map pockets located throughout the vehicle. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.